Hey, welcome back to the lectures. In this section, okay, as well as in the coming sections, we will understand some of the important features of the Cortex M3 as well as M4 processor. And this discussion also applies to the Cortex M0 processor, no problem. So let me write, so what are the features of the processor we are going to explore in this section as well as in the coming section. The first one is the operational mode of the processor, okay? And also we will discuss about the different access levels of the processor, and we will also explore about the register set of the processor. Okay, so in the register set there are two types. One is the general purpose register and another one is the special purpose register. So if you are using high level languages like C in order to build applications, that understanding register sets are not actually that important. Okay, so but no problem, we will explore the register set of the processor, for our information purpose. Okay, so after that we will explore about the banked stack design, okay, of the processor. Okay, so that means I will talk about the stack memory handling mechanism of the processor. Okay, so I don't cover all these things in this section, so these are covered in their respective sections as we make progress in the course. Okay, so but I will cover these things in this course. Okay, and after that I will also cover the exceptions and exception handling. So we'll also explore about interrupt handling. We'll see how processor handles interrupts, and we'll write some applications to trigger some of the interrupts, and we'll see what and all things takes place in the processor in order to handle that interrupt. Okay, and we'll also discuss about the bus interfaces, okay, in this course. Okay, so where I will talk about the different bus interfaces provided by the ARM Cortex processor, like I-code, decode, and system bus interfaces. And I will also discuss about the bus matrix of the microcontroller. Okay, and we're also going to explore about the memory system or memory architecture, okay, of the processor, bit banding, okay, feature of the processor, memory map of the processor, etc. Okay, and we'll also do lots of programming examples to understand things better. Okay, and in this course we'll also explore about the processor NDNS, okay, and the aligned as well as the unaligned data transfer feature of the processor. And also we will explore in this course the bootloader concepts and in application programming. So for this I will take the example of ST's bootloader, and we will invoke that bootloader and we'll try to program our binary, okay, over the help of with the help of bootloader that we call as in application programming. Okay, so we'll explore that also in this course. And not only this, okay, in this course I'm going to explore various other details related to the microcontroller as well as the processor, okay, with examples. Great, so now without wasting much time, now let's get started with the first one, that is operational mode of the processor. Okay, so I will take up that in the next lecture.